Hi, allow us to share our research study Project MASID, Monitoring and Assessment Strategies, Innovate Delivery in line with face-to-face modality with Dr. Alma V.Lopez, Dr. Edelisa M.Catacutan, and Marilou T.Vidallon. It is a great challenge for the teachers to face the new setup of transitioning into face-to-face setup and find out the backlog from pandemic scenario and its effect to the pupils. Monitoring and assessment were the focus of researchers in whom the comeback of pupils to school is very necessary to patch up the loopholes of COVID-19 pandemic. This action and research focused on 8 out of 8 teachers of Guyam ES who participated in the transitioning of modality from modular to face-to-face modality. This research answered the following questions. What is the level of monitoring and assessment strategies of teachers in face-to-face modality for the first month upon opening of classes? What is the level of monitoring and assessment strategies used by the teachers in face-to-face modality by adopting Project MASID for the second month upon opening of classes? Is there a significant difference between the level of monitoring and assessment strategies used during first month and second month upon the opening of classes? For the proposed innovations and interventions, there are 4 processes involved. First is define, program and planning. This includes 15-item teacher's daily task. Second, measure, data collection and management. How do teachers perform and manage routinary activities? Third, learn, analysis and reporting. What mode of technical assistance given? This includes LAC sessions, focal group discussions, mentoring, collegial discussions. Lastly is improve, use finding and insights. Do they meet the target? According to DepEd Secretary Sara Duterte, July 12, 2022, by November 2, 2022, all pupils are required to report on school face-to-face according to Department of Education, DepEd Order No. 34 Series of 2022 containing the calendar of activities for school year 2022 to 2023. For data gathering methods, survey questionnaire was administered twice to respondents. During first quarter, they used traditional information dissemination in monitoring and assessment. For the second quarter, they adopted Project MASID framework and processes. Table 1 shows the result of the mean before the intervention was applied is 3.96 with a standard deviation of 0.36. After the intervention was applied, the mean of posttest is 4.72 and a standard deviation of 0.36. There is an increase of both mean and standard deviation after the intervention. Since the value of the computed probability value was so small, of about 0.001.03, which is far less than the level of significance of 0.5. It is therefore concluded that the difference between the mean of pretest and posttest was highly significant. It may further conclude that the level of monitoring and assessment is effective using Project MASID. Teachers, after the aid of Project MASID, find themselves easy in handling the day-to-day routinary tasks of teachers. 15 tasks listed on instrument. The result of the study would also help the educational leaders in addressing the needed assistance by the teachers and providing opportunity for the teachers to improve. For the implications, listed tasks of teachers such as preparation of the lessons and e-class records, monitoring of pupils' progress, queries, test analysis, interventions become easier for them through the help of Project MASID. It is therefore concluded that monitoring and assessment through Project MASID address the issue of teachers' long-time burden of doing the task. LAC sessions, focal group discussions, and collegial discussions help teachers a lot in making their task easy. Teachers' daily tasks became easy for them because of Project MASID framework. It is concluded that educational leaders' guidance and supervision help through a lot in improving teachers' performance. The research study Project MASID is recommended not only in Guyam Elementary School but to the municipality of Indang. Further study is recommended for future researchers.